Sandbox Kids presents another banger. A banger that will leave you feeling holly jolly and in the Christmas spirit for the holiday season. The Kid and Ninja returns to bring joy to the world by checking iguanas off the naughty list. But before PETA turns into the Grinch and ruins our Christmas, just know that what these folks are doing is completely legal. And these iguanas are extremely invasive in the state of Florida. Now, chill out. With the help of Foreign Sea, Red Sports Fishing, and the iguana expert himself, Raj the Iguana Man. These Santa's little helpers all team up to get rid of iguanas and feast on them for a delicious Christmas dinner.
Swarms of green iguanas taking up residence in South Florida, and they are more than a nuisance. It's a full-on iguana invasion.
All day, baby. All day.
They're invasive and destructive.
Female iguanas can lay nearly 80 eggs a year.
All right, get the button.
Back, y'all, it's your boy, the Iguana Man, and we're back at y'all with another video. Today, we're going to be doing some pest control for invasive green iguanas.
Yo, what it isn't, it's your boy, the Iguana Ninja, and we are back with another one. We got two of my main men here today. The one who made the Iguana Ninja, the one and only Iguana Man.
Hey, how's it going? How's it going, Ninja?
And we got the legendary
Red Sports Fishing.
Red Sports Fishing. Guys, it's hot, a couple of days before Christmas, so we're trying to catch the biggest alpha we can today and harvest it. So, like, comment, subscribe.
No. Don't like, don't comment, and don't subscribe. Remember, kids, eat your vitamins, stay in school, and most importantly, don't subscribe to my channel. Let's get it.
Look at that one. It's hanging out like a squirrel.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Look at that!
You saw how he was just hanging there?
But he's angry, huh? You want to touch it? You don't want to touch the feet because it can scratch you.
But hey, if you look on his tail, I think he got bit by something, dude. Yeah, and they're fighting right now because I think it's breeding season.
This is how aggressive iguanas get, right?
Yeah.
So this iguana is here is missing his staying thing. Right? That's what that is right there. So, in the heat of the battle, right when they were, doing their thing, trying to dominance and all this other stuff, he got his thing.
Thanks.
Now, mind you, they have two, so it's not really a problem. It's half his problem.
Ho ho ho! Yes, during mating season, these cold-blooded species will act more aggressively toward one another. This cause of aggression runs from October to February, so don't be surprised if you see a reptilian buddy start acting more ruthless than usual around this time of year. Ho ho ho!
Look down. Look down. Oh, damn! That is clutch right here, bro. That is clutch.
Oh, that menace. Yeah, he's vicious. That's a thumbnail. On a grill for Christmas. Definitely want to end up on a grill for Christmas.
We got a round of applause, everybody. Let's get a round of applause, everybody. Not even 5 minutes in, bro. It's okay, guys. I think there's some more on the bank. Whoa! Shoot! Oh, shoot! Whoa! Oh. Yo, we got another ballerina. Hey, Red Sports Fishing. We got another one, man. We need your help. Grab him. Got his little. Doubled up. Wow. Hey, so a lot of people are wondering, like, why are the iguanas orange, man?
Well, guys, we're in the prime time of mating season. Other reason why is to show dominance. You see, this is Mufasa. This is the lizard version of Mufasa. In all animal aspect, the alphas are always going to be the bigger guys. In any reptile, mammal, anything.
I think we need a couple more wraps of iguana steaks. That's what we're gonna be preparing today.
What, bacon wraps?
Bacon, right?
Bacon.
Wendy's?
Well, 4 for 4.
In the meantime, as they catching snakeheads and iguanas, stop at Cloud Chasers. Don't shop at $7 Kids, but you should check out Cloud Chasers.
Ho 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 ho! Shop at Cloud Chasers today, or you'll end up on the naughty list. Ho 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 ho! Cloud Chasers. It's not just a brand, it's a lifestyle, motherfuckers. Link in the description below. Ho ho ho!
Oh my god! He ain't gonna do that.
Yo, he's breathing, bro. Yeah, fast, bro. Oh, you gotta fade that, man. He got mad when he died. Yo! Ah! Oh, we got rudder.
Freeze, sir! Freeze! Hey!
He was ready for that shit, yeah.
Slaps and hand sanitizer on it.
Yeah.
You have to put a thumbnail, the iguana scoured away, cut him in the process, bro.
Right now, it's blood for blood, bro.
Oh no! 4 and C got scratched up, but he feisty iguana. Now it was time for him and the gang to get it back in the blood.
Alright, so after we get them, we have to euthanize them, and the most humane way to do it, air rifle.
Oh! Put it on its head. Don't fire yet.
No, stand up. Just go straight down, right in between his eyes.
Put it on its head.
A little bit back. Yeah, right there. The trigger's super sensitive.
Yum, yum.
Alright kids, remember, viewer discretion is advised.
Advised. Don't try this at home
Or anywhere, period.
Just be careful, you know? That's it. You're in the wild, you're doing wild things can happen. So exactly, just do that. But hey, I think we're almost done with our tail, so we're gonna go ahead and pick it out.
Oh.
Hey, Christmas came early, y'all boys. Christmas came early. You again? I'm having presents for real. I can lie. That looks good, y'all boys. It looks good. Yum yum. Oh, yo! Buddy slapped me, bro. He's trying to get that last bit of revenge. Hell, he still knows where our face is at, man. Oh, dang. This is the iguana fillet.
So once we toss it on the grill, how long is it going to take to cook and be
Very
perfect?
quick.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yo, that's perfect iguana tail right there.
Hey, Christmas came early, y'all boys. Christmas came early, fam.
And once we just do that, we just leave them for like 5-7 minutes, flip them, and then they should be done like in 15 minutes. Totally.
Awesome, man. I'm hungry. I feel like I turned into a man. I feel like I turned into a man. I can't lie to y'all boys.
All right, guys. Well, we're here on the barbie. The bacon iguana is looking mighty tasty.
Can't wait, fam.
It's gonna be fire.
We about to feast, fam. Christmas came early, y'all boys. We wrapped up these bacons like they were presents, and we about to grub up. All thanks to Rowdy, Red Sport Fishing, Mr. himself, Rod, the Iguana Man, and a man of the hour, Iguana Ninja. You can't forget about 4 and C. You can't forget about 4 and C, man.
Got cut up by a lizard.
Hey, in battle, you will be battle scars, fam.
Battle scars.
But you will be rewarded with some iguana tail.
Yeah. I
Let's
gotta get
get
my
it.
lick back, bro. That's my lick back.
It's the moment of truth. Me and the gang did a long day of hunting these iguanas. We about to reward ourselves with a wonderful Christmas feast. Prepared by Iguana Ninja, Iguana Man, and Red Sport Fishing. We about to bust down, eat good, have a great Christmas feast. Let's get it.
Junior and the gang took care of business, taking out these invasive, cold-blooded creatures. Now it is time to have a grand Christmas feast.
Oh, that's a great bite right there. Hold on.
That's good.
Shit sweet, nigga. Shit sweet. Bro, this is not that bad.
Take another bite. Let it savor.
Stop touching the bone.
Get that bacon.
Get that bacon in there. Ooh, you hear that crisp?
Listen, bon appetit. Oh, I ate this shit raw. I'm hungry as hell.
Cheers.
Cheers, fam.
Cheers, man. I ain't wasting no time. Everybody grab a piece.
2022 is a success. 2023 will be better, y'all boys. By God's grace. Cheers. 2023 will be a bigger for everybody. Just gotta grind it out and be in your shit. Be in your shit, and you will see the promised land. Cheers, everybody. Boy, this is delicious, bro.
Told you I can cook.
This is so good. I'm gonna get another one.
Well, guys, that was a banger. Everyone here, thank you for coming out, guys. Don't like, don't subscribe, and don't comment. It's your boy, the Iguana Ninja, with my main man, Iguana Man, with his brother from the same mother.
Red Sport Fishing.
And the last boy, the foreign scene.
He just came in here from a plane today, baby.
He just flew one on a foreign. Man, look at all that. Y'all heard it, man. Don't like, don't comment, and so good. Don't subscribe, and we're out.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
I miss my water. I keep missing my water. I keep missing my water. I want my water. I need.
Kenny, you're tripping. I gotta tell you, you're tripping, bro. You gotta take one of these, bro. Come on now.
You got you, bro.
Kenny, bro. Kenny, come on, Kenny. Come on, slide, man. Woo.
Take a bite. It tastes like.
What's your input?
Honestly, what does it taste like?
Oh, man.
That's food.
Excuse me for 1 second. Of course. Oh, well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. I'm pooped. Yes, I should be. Good Lord, what is happening in there?